There are apartments that look expensive, and then there are New York penthouses. The difference isn't marble countertops or floor-to-ceiling windows. It's not having $1 million renovation either. In fact, if you walked into most luxury penthouses in Manhattan, you'd notice something surprising. Almost every design decision is incredibly restrained. Nothing is shouting for attention, yet somehow the entire apartment feels unforgettable. Today, I'm breaking down the exact 7 design principles that make a New York City penthouse feel luxurious, and every single one can be recreated in a rental without changing your floors, cabinets, or walls. By the end of this video, you'll start seeing why some apartments instantly feel like they belong on Billionaires Row, while others still feel like, well, an apartment. And stay until the end because the last upgrade is something almost every luxury penthouse has, yet it's one of the easiest and least expensive changes you can make. 1. Think like a view, even if you don't have one. One thing every luxury penthouse has is a focal point. Sometimes it's Central Park, sometimes it's the skyline, sometimes it's the Hudson River, but everything inside the apartment is arranged to celebrate that view instead of competing with it. Most rental apartments accidentally do the opposite. Furniture faces random directions, accessories compete for attention, and every surface becomes its own destination. Instead, choose one visual anchor in your room. Maybe it's your largest window, an oversized piece of artwork, or even your television if that's your reality. Arrange your furniture so the room naturally leads your eye there. Luxury spaces always have visual intention. Nothing feels accidental. Before we move on, the next design choice is one of the fastest ways to tell whether you're looking at an ordinary apartment or a true Manhattan penthouse. 2. Go bigger than feels safe. Walk through almost any luxury penthouse listing in New York and you'll notice something immediately. Everything feels oversized. The artwork is oversized, the rugs are oversized, the sofas are oversized, even the coffee tables feel substantial. Many renters make the opposite mistake because they're afraid of overwhelming the room. They buy the smaller rug, the smaller artwork, and the apartment ends up feeling smaller instead of larger. A large 8x10 or 9x12 rug instantly expands the visual footprint of your living room. Floor-length curtains mounted close to the ceiling make the windows feel dramatically taller. One large piece of artwork creates far more impact than a gallery wall full of tiny frames. Luxury isn't about filling the room with more things. It's about letting fewer, larger pieces do the work. 3. Create depth with layers, not decor. One misconception about luxury apartments is that they're packed with designer accessories. They're usually not. What actually creates that expensive feeling is depth. Look closely at high-end Manhattan interiors and you'll notice layers everywhere. Linen against velvet, warm wood beside polished stone, matte ceramics next to brushed brass, boucle beside leather. Instead of buying more decorative objects, focus on adding another layer of texture. Swap synthetic throw pillows for linen or velvet. Replace glossy plastic trays with wood or stone. Add woven baskets, matte ceramic lamps, or a cashmere throw. The room begins to feel collected instead of decorated. The next upgrade is probably having a bigger impact on your apartment than all of these textures combined. 4. Light the room like a 5-star residence. Luxury penthouses almost never rely on one ceiling light. Instead, they build atmosphere. Walk into one at night, and you'll usually see table lamps glowing in the corners, floor lamps softening darker areas, under cabinet lighting in the kitchen, picture lights above artwork, and warm accent lighting tucked into bookshelves. Notice what's missing, that single bright overhead fixture blasting light across the entire room. Aim for at least 3 sources of warm light in every main living space. Keep the color temperature around 2,700 Kelvin. Use dimmable bulbs whenever possible and let shadows exist. Luxury interiors don't try to eliminate every shadow. They use light to create mood. 5. Remove visual noise. One reason luxury penthouses feel so calming is because your brain isn't constantly processing clutter. Mail isn't sitting on the dining table. Charging cables aren't draped across the coffee table. Water bottles, shopping bags, dog toys, and Amazon boxes aren't becoming part of the decor. That doesn't mean the owners have less stuff. It means they hide it exceptionally well. Use decorative boxes on shelves, choose a storage coffee table, add baskets with lids, hide Wi Fi routers, power strips, tissue boxes, and charging stations whenever possible. Every item left visible should feel intentional. When the eye has fewer distractions, the expensive pieces you already own suddenly receive much more attention. 6. Stick to one elevated material palette. Luxury penthouses are remarkably disciplined. You won't usually find polished chrome, matte black, bright gold, industrial steel, rustic farmhouse wood, coastal rope baskets, and glam mirrored furniture all living together. Instead, everything belongs to the same family. Choose one metal finish and repeat it throughout the apartment. Pair it with warm woods, matte stone, linen fabrics, soft ivory upholstery, and ceramics in similar tones. This consistency is what designers call cohesion. People often describe it as expensive without realizing why. The final detail is one that almost nobody notices consciously, but everyone feels the moment they walk into the room. 7. Style less, but style better. Many people assume luxury means adding more. More candles, more decorative objects, more coffee table books, more accessories. Luxury penthouses usually do the opposite. A console might have only one sculptural vase, one lamp, and a single stack of books. The coffee table might have nothing more than a beautiful tray holding a candle and one decorative object. Every piece has a room to breathe. Negative space isn't empty space, it's confidence. When every surface is covered, nothing feels important. When every object has intention, the entire apartment feels curated. That's one of the hardest design lessons to learn and one of the biggest reasons luxury interiors feel effortless. Let's bring it all together. The biggest takeaway is that luxury penthouses aren't built around expensive furniture. They're built around restraint. They use scale instead of clutter, lighting instead of brightness, texture instead of color overload, cohesion instead of constant decorating. Start applying even a few of these principles, and your apartment begins feeling less like a temporary rental and more like a home overlooking the Manhattan skyline, regardless of what's actually outside your window. If you enjoyed this video and want more renter-friendly ways to create a home that feels elevated, luxurious, and beautifully lived in, subscribe to Lovely Living. New videos every week will help you create that 5-star feeling without breaking your lease or your budget. So tell me in the comments, which one of these penthouse design principles are you trying first?